Hey guys, today I have two Lego City fire truck poly bags and we will be combining this into one truck. So let's get to the build. I have just finished building these two, so what I think I'm going to do is with these plates at the bottom, just extend it so it's double the length and you can have double the firepower and it can sit two people, so I'm now going to build that. Have finished building and this is the result I can come up with. I'm pretty proud with it. I did end up having a few spares such as light bulbs, car tires and the car rims. If you did like this video, then please like and subscribe. I am going to be doing a weekly series with sets like these and eventually they will be getting bigger and bigger. Thank you for watching. Bye.